Hello everyone, this is Charles BridgTec with another flashlight review, this time from Nitecore. Now this here is the new TIP3. Now I was sent this by Nitecore directly. They wanted me to feature it here on my channel. Comes in this box. Not really too much information as far as specs, but it does have a highest output of 720 lumens. Remember, this is a little keychain flashlight, so pretty amazing. And it also has the MCT technology, which is multicolor temperature. So let's wait no further. Let's open it up, see what's in. This is a complete kit. Comes with everything you need to get started. And some people want to get started right away. You may need to charge the light, but in any case, most of the time, especially when they're brand new, you can get it right out of the box and use it. That's everything out of there. Well, they've already got the key ring on it, so I don't have to do that. Nice. Now, I've reviewed many TIP products before from Nitecore, and I've always thought these were one of the better things. It's just amazing little light. So it comes with a USB Type-C charging cable. Get a Nitecore warranty card. Now they started implementing these warnings, letting you know because of the batteries in them. You know, you want to handle them with care. Make sure if you have it with a child, that they know to be careful with it. Monitor them. Other protections in there as well. You've got a user manual. Now this is just too small to show you, so I'm going to post the specs up on the screen for you. You can see there. Now the 720 lumens is going to be on the cool white. The other ones are going to be slightly less light output. Front and back multi-language. Now if you need more time to read those, go ahead and pause screen. Otherwise, let's go ahead and continue on. Let's take a look here at the light. And there it is. Got a nice quick release clasp on here. Love that. Sometimes you want to take it from one key ring to a next. If you have more than one keys, want to give one to your wife, kids, or whatever, especially older kids, or as a gift. Sometimes they want to put it on a bag or their purse or something instead of their keys. Make it easier to grab. You do have the clip on here. Now you can remove this, which is nice. You can easily, because it's a plastic. So now you can put the clip here this way, or you can do it this way. So it really depends on you. We'll go ahead and keep it the way it was. I'm okay with that. Again, it's really up to you. You got two slots that you can do it on right here on the body, so you can flip it around, reverse it. It's really up to you. Very durable plastic. I've never had any issues with this. They don't even get loose and slide around. They stay pretty firm. Got a 2-switch design here. You do have a battery level there. I think I was seeing it. It is on lockout, so not going to be able to see it. It does have a little indicator letting you know that it is locked out. Usually hold this 2-switch design. This is a aluminum body. Let me take off the clip so I can show you the bottom of the light. I know some people want to see it without the clip on there. So I'll show you here on the bottom. It is a semi-gloss finish. And here's the, sometimes it's charging port here. This cover is so small. So kind of on a corner, so you can just kind of rotate it out of the way. There it is there. Now you can use this light while charging it. So that's a nice thing. If you want to leave it on for an extended power outage, you can do so. Style design on this, very nice. One of my favorite keychain lights, along with the TIP with the OLED display. These things are really easy to use. That is there. And of course the machining and finish on this is very nice. No issues there. Alright, so let's put the clip back on it here. I really like having these clips on there if I want to set the light in a different situation. You just clip it on your shirt as well. So now let's go ahead and take a look here. Nitecore exclusive MCT UHE LEDs. 2 of them in here. Special optics. Diffuse lenses. So kind of has a rough feel on them. See there? Alright, well, can't open this. This is a sealed unit, and battery information will be put on screen for you. So now let's go ahead and go through the UI. UI is pretty straightforward to unlock the light. Now to unlock the light, try to do this so you can see. I press both buttons and you'll see it unlock. Once that fills in, that's the battery level indicator there, full charge. And when you want to change the LED color, both buttons, just like some of the other lights that they have. Let me show it to you here up close so you can see the color temp. That's a neutral white. Try to turn it here so you can see. And then warm white. That's warm white, sorry about that. Cool white. And then neutral white. This is kind of my favorite, but cool white's okay for me, but the warm white, yeah, a little too warm for me. So now once you have the light on, you have a power, it'll just turn it off, turn it on. That's why you definitely want to use the lockout feature so you don't turn it on accidentally. So now we're going to go up through the light outputs by hitting the other button here. Each time you hit it, the battery level will remind you of the current level. Okay, we're going to take a look here at the beam. You can see it's going to be, the further out you get, it's going to be pretty much flood, but it is kind of a rounded beam there. But this thing is just really impressive. I'll show you the color temp on how that looks. Remember, the cool white's going to be the highest output, and then warm white. So now you don't have to be going around ordering any kind of special LED version. You can get it right here from Nitecore and pick and choose whatever is best for you and your environment that you have. And then of course you're going to press down and hold to get the highest output. of that particular color temp. I'm going to go ahead and change it. Usually you can do it with just one thumb as well. So now you can see it's quite a bit more light output. Let me change the temp so you can see here. Press and hold. See there how it's... And we'll go back to the warm. The warm's actually pretty impressive. With that cool white. Yeah, that's blinding. And then you've got the neutral white, and that does well. Yeah. So the cool white's going to give you that brilliant beam output. Impressive. Change that color temp. It really stands out. And these LEDs run really cool compared to the previous versions. This is really an impressive little light. So now in order to lock this light out, I'm going to turn it on quickly, press and hold. You'll see that little red light come on. Very easy to lock this out. And you're ready to go. Throw it back in your keys. No issues there until you need it. Impressive. Build quality, of course, very nice on this. No issues there. It's going to get scratched up with your keys. Well, let's wait no further. Let's take this TIP3 outside, see how it does in the wilderness. We are out here in the darkness with the Nitecore TIP3. So let's go ahead and get started on it here. I'm just going to show you the different color temps right here so you can get an idea. Cool white, got the neutral white, and warm white. We'll do it on the higher level so you can see. We're going to go up to the next level. From here, do a cool white, and back to warm. Kind of pan around it here. 38 feet there. Been having some crazy weather here the last 40-something days. There's the beam on the fence, give you an idea. Change the color temp here. Cool white, neutral white, and warm white. There we go. 68 feet there, or 65 feet. Got mosquitoes out here attacking me. And 38 feet there to that water spout. Now I have a link below all my videos so you can see my testing area here. See how far things are. Really starting to come alive here now. Oh man. Nice beam performance. Fog has just been so many days of fog. Finally had a storm move in and kind of came back, but this little bit of a breeze kind of dried us out, I think, here. Hopefully I can get some more videos out here. And so now we're on the lowest setting. Now I'm gonna do the highest setting on the different temperatures. I think that's going to give us the, let me show you here. That's cool white. Kind of see how everything drowns out a little bit. Neutral white is a little bit better. And then warm white. Wow. Well, let's go ahead and do the little keychain light on 138 feet. Famous tree of life. Let's go ahead and see how it does. Look at that. That's warm white. There is cool white. And then we have neutral white. Look at that. That's crazy. Incredible performance. Welcome back. Hope you enjoyed those night shots. Impressive beam performance for such a tiny little wonder of light. Technology is truly amazing, especially in the technology that we have these days, to be able to have 720 lumens right here at your thumb. Just really is an impressive little light. I can't say anything more than that. The ability to be able to change the color temp just depends on what you want, what's best for you and the conditions that you're in, or if you just prefer one light color temp over another, it's up to you. You have it right here in one light. Battery level is always displayed when you are changing the color temps, so it lets you know, and then it will shut down to save on battery level. The LEDs here are impressive. Nitecore, the Night Labs have really done a great job with these LEDs. They use so much less energy, and they still produce heat, but not as much as some of the other LEDs on the market. So they have that benefit. Battery does well. It's going to provide plenty of battery power for you and your little adventure, or if you just need to walk from one area, especially for walking to your car if it's dark in the house. You know, you just want to grab your keys and walk with it anywhere. You've got light here rather than using your cell phone light. How many people I see with their cell phone light and they're trying to find something? You've got it right here. You won't need that. In fact, this will provide a way better beam and light output if you need it. So feels rugged. I'm not seeing any issues with this. Always nice to have these. Nice to have this new one. Okay, well, I want to thank Nitecore for sending me this TIP3 keychain light, flashlight that is, to review. Now, if this is something you are interested in getting, I will leave a link down in the description box, including my special discount code to the NitecoreStore.com, and that'll help you save some money on this keychain light, just in case you're interested. Well, that's it for me. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please share, like, and subscribe. That way I can bring more of these new lights, keychain lights, from Nitecore to you in the future. Thanks for watching. Take care. Well, let's take this outside, see how it does in the wilderness.